guys? Let's get right into the video. And thank you so much for tuning in again with us. I'm here in our showroom and just going to share with you guys what we have going on starting this month, kicking off the new year 2022 with a fantastic sale. It's called the Blast Off Sale. We're going to be offering a discount or a discounted price on pretty much any of our pressure washers that we have on our sales floor to help kick off the new year. And going to talk about some of the benefits of hot water and cold water machines and what you can look for, what you should look for, what's going to work best for your business, and so forth. Now, to start off, we're going to talk about hot water machines. And we are going to be offering for our gas-powered hot water machines $500 off of our retail price. The sale itself is set to run through the end of February. So this blast off sale will start off Monday, the 3rd of January, after we come back from the holiday, and will actually run all the way to the end of February or until we run out of inventory. Like most hot water machines you'll find on the market, we sell these with general pumps and Honda engines, of course, with the actual factory Honda muffler, and this one here is our 5.5 GPM machine, also a general pump. So we tend to sell quite a few general pumps here. General pump's been a pump that we've sold for many years. Now, 8 gallons per minute at 3,000 PSI. If you're looking to use hot water in your business, the main reason that you would want to use hot water is obviously going to be for heavy grease, heavy oils, and bubble gum. Now, the thing about hot water machines, guys, and I tell this to any prospective customer when they're buying machines, hot water is definitely more expensive to maintain. Maintenance on hot water is always going to be more expensive. You're dealing with electrical components right inside here. You got your igniter, blower wheel, you got pressure switch, thermostat. You got a lot of different electrical components that come into these hot water machines. So it's definitely going to be something you have to routinely maintain in order to be able to keep your business running effectively. So, but of course, this is something we can take care of here. Guys, we sell a variety of different hot water machines, and from time to time you'll see different skids on our sales floor. This is our Landa skid. Again, it's an 8 gallon per minute machine. It comes with a Honda GX690 motor. It's got the factory muffler on there. It's got a Landa pump. It comes with a giant unloader, which is a very heavy duty unloader. It's $500 off any of our gasoline hot water machines. Now, our cold water machines, but we sell a wide variety of different skids, cold water skids, specifically 8 gallon per minute. This one here is actually our custom built 8 gallon per minute skid. And just to kind of go over some of the benefits, obviously the Udor pump is a pump that is actually one of the heavier duty pumps that are on the market, and guys here locally love this pump. It comes with GX690 motor. Again, we're a Honda dealer, so we actually get Honda motors in from Honda. We build these skids with Honda motors with the factory muffler built on. Now, our cold water units, we are going to be offering a discount of $300 off any of our GX690 cold water skids during this blast off sale. Again, that's $300 off the retail price. I've showed you guys this unit before, but this is our Landa 8 gallon per minute cold water skid. It has a stainless frame. This Landa pump is an amazing pump. Again, it's 8 gallons per minute. It's a 3,500 PSI machine, stainless frame, GX690. And again, with that sale going on, you're looking at $300 off the retail price. And of course, we have our Pressure Pro unit here, which we've sold for many, many years. Most guys are pretty familiar with it. Comes with the General pump, General being one of the more popular pumps. Obviously, we talked about that before. Just a regular powder coated steel frame. We keep this in stock, guys. Again, running that sale this month and next month, you guys are gonna be able to save some really good money on these machines. And we also have custom built GX630 cold water skid here. It actually comes with a Comet pump. So it's actually an 8 gallon per minute Comet pump, but we actually have the unit set to do about 7 gallons per minute instead of 8. Again, it's on the same custom skids that we have built with our other 8 gallon per minute pumps. And this particular model here, this GX630, we're gonna be running $200 off of all of our GX630 cold water units. So we have this one here, which is the 8, and we have this one here, which we actually try to keep these in stock year round. This is our 5.5 GPM unit, which a lot of guys like using 5.5 GPM. So again, it's a GX630 motor. It's got the genuine Honda muffler on there as well. And again, it's gonna be $200 off of the retail price in the month of January and February, or until we run out. So if you're interested, please give us a call. And of course, we have a special discounted price on our GX390 cold water units as well. Most of these we have on wheels. We will be running a special price of $100 off the retail price of these units. So any GX390 cold water unit that we stock, including this bad boy, the electric start, it'll be $100 off of the retail price. I shared this with you guys just the other day online, last week actually. And this particular skid is really neat. We had this built up in North Raleigh. The guys up there welded together an aluminum skid that can actually fit on the back of a pickup truck. This is something we did last year. We had a larger steel skid that we actually were able to manufacture a skid just like this one, where we were able to slide into a pickup truck, and we got a lot of great feedback from that. Guys who were just starting out, who wanted something compact, something really easy they could just throw into the back of their truck. So we had these aluminum skids built. I think we have this one here. There's also one up in North Raleigh as well. And the machine on here is actually a belt drive, 4,000 PSI at 4 gallon per minute Pressure Pro with a general pump. And with the sale going on this month and next month, you will get the $100 off the unit. So the skid itself is a great value price, but you also get the $100 off the unit as well if it's something you're interested in. So please give us a call. Let us know if you are. Please take advantage of this sale, guys. The sale will be going on this month and next month to kick off the new year, and we're really excited to offer it, and we're so grateful for all the support you guys have given us, and we're looking forward to continuing to build this platform on YouTube, which is going to allow us to share with you some of the changes that we'll be making over the next couple of months as we go into the season. And I'm hoping that we're going to do something really special with this wall here, guys. I've got some plans in mind, and hopefully we can get something done up here that we can surprise all of you guys with in the coming months. But we'll share with that at a later time. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click and subscribe with us. Check out some of our other footage, some of our other material that we've already put out there. And again, come check us out, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys.